everyone. Welcome to day 4 of my 30-day Pilates journey. I'm Terriell, and today we're going to be focusing on your breathing or improving your breathing with Pilates. Now, the breath is one of the 6 principles of Pilates, so it has a lot of importance. Your breath can facilitate your movement. It can keep you alive, of course, and it can also help intensify or even challenge you as you exercise by just adding another layer to the movements that we do. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to have you spin around to face the front edge of your mat and then just lower yourself down onto your back with control so that you're lying flat down with your feet stepping on the mat. We'll start by just checking into the breath, taking a deep breath in, filling up the belly, and then exhaling all of the air out. So you want to exhale fully, really just push all of that air out to empty the lungs. Again, let's inhale as deeply as you can. And feel your ribs expand onto your mat, and exhale, pulling your belly down and really just emptying the lungs as much as you can. One more time, big breath in. And exhale, letting all of that air go. All right, now from here, let's walk the big toes, the ankles, and the knees together, squeezing thighs. We'll inhale and lift the arms to the ceiling, abs tight. Exhale, reach the arms back. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, reach the arms forward. Just working that pattern. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms back. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms forward. Now curl up, pause for a moment, same pattern. Exhale, inhale, arms up. Ooh, exhale, arms back. Feel those abs. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms forward. 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms back. Stay curled. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms forward. 1 more. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, arms back, and inhale, arms up. Woo, and exhale, arms forward. Now lower your head down to rest your neck. From here, we'll pull the knees in towards the chest, and then find a little tabletop position so that your abs have to work to hang on to your legs. And now from here, we'll pull the head, neck, and shoulders up, looking at the abdominals, and then start our most important breathing exercise for today, the 100. So let's breathe in as you pump the arms up and down, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air, and out with the air. 3, 4, 5. Now I want you to make your breath audible, really sucking in the air through your nose and blowing the air out of your mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 more breaths here. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more breaths. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more breath in. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold there. Just curl a little bit deeper. 3, 2. Keep exhaling. 1. Pull your knees and rest your head down. Let's step those feet back down to the mat for an exercise that's actually called breathing. So this is an exercise where we really start to coordinate the ins, the outs, and even the holding of the breath to hold tension in the body. So now let's reach the arms to the ceiling to begin. Now we'll breathe in and lift the hips and press your palms to your thighs. Hold the breath as you hold this position for 3, 2, 1. Long exhale as you lower your hips down and lift your arms straight up to the ceiling. Let's do that 3 or 4 more times. Big inhale, press the palms down, lift the hips to the ceiling, hold your breath, and now push into your hands and press down into your thighs as much as you can for 3, holding that breath. 2, 1, and then lower your hips down on your exhale, lift your arms up. 2 more. Inhale, palms down, hips up, holding there, press down. 3, 2, 1. And then exhale, lowering the hips, lifting the arms. Last time here. Breathe in and press up. 2, holding the breath. 3, 2, 1. And then exhale deeply as you lower those hips down and lift your arms all the way up to the ceiling. Very nice. Now let's bring the knees into the chest and then go ahead and rock and roll up to a seated position. Now I'm going to have you pull your knees into the chest here for a little rolling like a ball prep. We're going to tip backward just a little bit, holding the position. Now start to check in with your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Good. Making sure that you're breathing in through your nose and out through your nose, just to kind of calm yourself down. Sometimes the balance doesn't come too easy. Now we're just going to tip backward a little bit. Big breath in. Just 1 inch. I don't want you to actually roll like a ball. Ooh, find that spot where it's hard to keep your balance. And then exhale, come forward. And again, inhale in, holding the tension in your stomach, pulling the abs to the spine. And exhale, come back up 1 inch. 2 more. Inhale, tip back, pulling into your waist. And exhale, bring it back to the top 1 more time. Inhale, tip back just a little bit. And exhale all the way back to the top to find balance. Now go ahead and place your feet down, and then we'll roll down with control all the way down into the back. Let's pull the right knee into the chest, keeping your head, neck, and shoulders up. Send your left leg long. Now we'll pull the thigh in on that right side, and then switch legs. Pull the thigh in on the left side. Now let's inhale, switch, exhale. Switch, inhale, switch, exhale. Switch, stay curled up. Maybe curl a little bit higher, exhale. Switch, inhale. Switch, exhale. Switch, 1 more breath in. Exhale. Now go ahead and pull your knees in and then lower your head down. Good. 1 more here on the back. We'll curl up, coordinating the breath with our movement. Inhale, arms back, legs out. Exhale, circle, hug your knees in. Keep your head up. Inhale, arms back, legs out. Exhale, circle and hug. 1 more like that. Inhale, arms back, legs out. Exhale, circle and hug. Now let's reverse the breath. Take an inhale here. Now exhale, reach out. Inhale, circle and hug. Feels weird, right? Exhale, reach out. Inhale, circle and hug. 1 more time. Exhale, reach out. Inhale, circle and hug. Good. Lower your head down. And next I'm going to have you come to a tall kneeling position. So standing tall on your knees will coordinate the breath with this movement. So now I want you to reach your palms just in front of your thighs here. Take a big breath in and float your hands back behind you, squeezing your shoulder blades, opening your chest, and standing tall with your abs scooping in. By the way, you're holding your breath. Now go ahead and exhale and float the arms forward. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see this better. All right, tall from knees to crown of head. Breathe in, press your arms back. Hold your breath as you grow taller. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, send the arms forward. Let's do that 3 more times. Inhale, press the arms back. Now hold tension in your upper back, squeezing your shoulder blades, zipping your powerhouse in, and squeezing your seat. Exhale, send the arms forward. And again, inhale, reach the arms back like you're pressing something really heavy away with your hands. Hold the breath. 3. Chest is open. 2. You're really tall. 1. Exhale, send the arms forward. 1 more time. Inhale, reach the arms back to open your chest. Squeezing those shoulder blades, sending your fingertips as long, the arms as long as you can, holding your breath, holding your breath. And exhale all of your air and relax your arms. Good. And you made it through day 4 of your 30-day Pilates challenge. I will see you all on the mat tomorrow for day 5. Bye for now.